Hi, I'm Kyle Mitchell, and today we've got the brand new Formax FD346 touchscreen paper folder in our demo room, and I'm really excited to show it to you. We have it here with the optional multi-sheet feeder, but I'm going to walk you through all the features and benefits, show you some of the things that changed with the new release of the FD3400 series, and come on in closer, let's get a good look. So rather than talk you to death, I think I want to start just by showing you this machine in action. I'm going to take my stack of paper, I'm going to put it in the feed area. I'm going to bring down this lever, which allows us to sneak the feed tires right over top of the stack. I'm going to bring the lever back up, and now we're ready to go. There's only one button left to hit. Now, I don't like to talk about speed of paper folders very often because honestly it's not an important statistic. They're all relatively close to each other, and whatever we are doing with this paper is way faster than what we're doing on the back end. But with that said, the Formax FD346 is among the fastest paper folders that I'm aware of. It's a great machine, handles up to 12 by 18 paper, and like you just saw, it does it at a machine gun pace. Here's an up-close shot of me loading the paper and running the folder. I'm going to bring the lever up. I'm going to put the stack in. I'm going to bring the lever back down, and the reason why is because that allows us to tuck the paper underneath these three feed rollers. And at this point, there's only one button to push, and that's on our color touchscreen. I'm going to hit start. There are two interesting elements to take a look at. First of all, is inside you can see little bits of foam. All paper folders are loud, but Formax has made an effort to apply some level of sound dampening to the Formax FD346, and all I can say is it's better than nothing. Don't think you're going to be able to use this in an office with people taking phone calls next to you, but it's better than nothing. Also, I want to show you how the fold plates are adjusted. So right now you can see we're on 11-inch letter fold. If I want to change that to an 11-inch half fold, it's very easy. I found where I want to be. I found the picture, and I found the little blue notch that I want to align with. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to bring it down to right about where I think is right. Now let's say I run some of these pieces, and it's off by just a hair. That's what this thumb screw is up here for. So if I move this, I can make very, very, very fine adjustments to where the fold location is. And that's how you make those fine adjustments, so the perfectionist in you will be satisfied with what the paper folder is putting out. Now we're showing the Formax FD346 fully option, so it has what's called a multi-sheet feeder. This is designed to take stapled sets of paper, and we don't have the equipment on right now, but you just drop a set in like that. It would acknowledge the paper's in here and suck it through. I'm not a huge fan of this feature just because I think for multiple sheets of paper, what you really need is a folder inserter. Because that's the purpose of taking multiple sheets of paper and folding it together. You're probably going to put it into an envelope. You don't want to spend this kind of money on a paper folder if you intend to do mostly multiple sheets. It's just not going to be a quick way of accomplishing the job. We do have other videos that show multi-sheet feeders, so I'll defer to those if you want to see it in action. But just know this is an optional accessory, and if you're looking at this, really you should probably be looking at a folder inserter instead. So I'm Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. This has been the Formax FD346 paper folder from Whitaker Brothers. If you have any questions, if you want to reach us, you can find us on LinkedIn, Facebook. You can even pick up the phone and call us the old-fashioned way if you like. There are lots of different ways to reach us, ready to answer your questions. We are the experts on these products.